And today we're gonna replace the battery on this 2025 key Toyota Corolla. On the back side, that's what it looks like. There's a notch in there, like a gap. This is the back side. So we're gonna need the flat tip to tip them off. Okay. So here's my flat tip screwdriver. So there's like a gap in there. Alright. So you're gonna fry them off. Okay. Pop it up. You can wiggle it. Okay, you see the logo sign? You're gonna, oop, right there, it's out. Voila. Okay, there's like a orange cap in there. You're just gonna take it out, pull them out, and then you're gonna see the dry cell battery. Okay, so I'm gonna link down below where you can buy it at. So what you're gonna do, there's like a gap on the side. You're just gonna tip it again. Blow. Now it's out, we're gonna replace him with the new one. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the new one in. Make sure all the letterings, all the writings is facing out. Panasonic, whatever it is, CR2032 is the code for this kind of battery. So just put him in, slap him in, and they're gonna put the orange flange in. Okay, see the little nipple facing up, and then you're gonna put the cap in. All right. Put the cap in and then click, walk it all the way around. Make sure all flattened out. Okay, it looks like this one is not flat. Click it, blow. That's what it looks like. 2020 battery replacement 5 key Toyota Corolla. Easy greasy lemon squeezy.